Okay. At the wedding in many parts of the world, bride and grooms gives each other wedding rings. These rings remind them of the commitment they made to each other when they got married. They are also a sign to others that they are married. No one knows for sure how this tradition started, but there is evidence that it began long ago in ancient Egypt. Coins at that time had evidence that sorry, coins at that time had a hole in the center, and each Egyptian grooms used to place a coin on his bride's finger to show that he would provide for her and take care of her. In many ancient cultures, including Egypt, the circle is a symbol of eternity. The wedding rings had come to symbolize endless love and commitment. Wedding rings have almost always been worn on the fourth finger. The ancient Egyptians believed the bend of the finger went directly to the heart, but the hand is worn depends on where you live. In some cultures, people wear their rings on the left hand, and in others, they wear them on the right. How the wedding rings fit is important. Some people think that the perfect fit of the ring represents a perfect fit between the couple. A tight ring can indicate jealousy, and a loose ring can show carelessness. And that's all of my presentation, and thank you for your attention.